Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of the new apps in Odoo V19. It's the phone app. So you'll have to install it first through the applications module. Search phone, it's already installed here. Then you'll also have to go to settings and make sure that the Boolean is checked off. And then from here you can start configuring the application. You go to manage providers. In this instance, we already have a few set up here. If we were to make a new one, you just click the new button and you put in the pertinent information. And then before launching, you'll need to switch it from disabled to either let user decide or force all users. Now that that's set up, if we go to the phone app, we can make a call. We'll just put in a random number here. And then we can click the call button. Then we hang up, it gives you some data. And then you can see here that now, once we refresh this, you see the call log. And you can see things like duration, obviously who made the call, when the call was made, and who the call was to. And this just helps segment who is making calls out to customers or maybe vendors and what have you, and just helps give some more visibility into what your employees are doing day to day. And it will also track durations or if a lead comes from the call or what have you. For more information, please click the link below.